Bullish Rose value expectation is 8 cents to 36 cents. Oasis organization cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Rose cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. In Desert Spring organization cost expectation 2022, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Rose to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. Desert Spring organization current market status. As indicated by CoinGecko, the cost of Desert Garden organization is 5 cents with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $119,920,210 at the hour of composing. In any case, Rose has expanded by almost 15.7% as of now. Besides, Desert Garden organization has a circling supply of 5,029,357,184 rows. Presently, Desert Garden organization exchanges digital currency trades like Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, Coinbase Trade, LBank, Gate.io. What is Desert Spring organization? Desert Garden organization is the local utility badge of the Desert Spring organization. Rose was sent off in November 2020 on the organization. Desert Spring organization is a security-centered brilliant agreements put together blockchain worked with respect to Universe SDK. The organization zeroes in more on advancing protection and privacy, very much like the Cardano blockchain. Desert Spring organization additionally involves a double-layer model, agreement layer, and paratime layer. Both the agreement and the computational tasks are isolated inside the layers. Rose tokens act as exchanges inside the organization. It is conveyed in the marking and assignment systems of Desert Garden organization. Desert Spring organization value expectation 2022. The above diagram of Desert Spring organization spread out a level channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the flat channel is framed during the cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the lower trend line which associates the lows, run evenly equal and the cost activity is held inside it. An even channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market as the trading focuses are in combination. Right now, Desert Garden organization is in the scope of 5 cents. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of Rose could arrive at the obstruction levels of 6 cents and 7 cents. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of Rose might tumble to 5 cents. Desert Spring organization backing and opposition levels. The diagram beneath shows the help and opposition levels of Desert Garden organization. The outlines show that Desert Spring organization has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. On the off chance that this pattern proceeds, Rose could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its obstruction level at 36 cents as needs be. In the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Desert Spring organization could dive to nearly 4 cents, a negative sign. Desert Garden organization value forecast 2022, RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Desert Garden organization is displayed in the diagram beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of Rose lies beneath the end line, demonstrating frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Desert Spring organization is displayed in the graph above. Outstandingly, Desert Spring organization cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, Rose has entered a negative state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Rose whenever. In the meantime, the general strength record of the Rose is 43.34. This implies that Desert Spring organization is almost in an oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of Rose might happen in the impending days. Along these lines, dealers need to painstakingly exchange. Desert Garden organization value expectation 2022, ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional record of Desert Garden organization. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of Desert Garden organization. At present, the ADX of Rose lies in the scope of 21.57967, and in this manner, it demonstrates a frail pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the general unpredictability list of Desert Spring organization. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Rose lies under 50, showing low unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Desert Garden organization is at 43.34, hence affirming a potential purchase signal. Examination of Rose with BTC, ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Desert Spring organization. From the above diagram, we can decipher that BTC, ETH, and Rose are moving in a comparable pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of Rose additionally increments or diminishes separately. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2023. On the off chance that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern turns around, Desert Spring Organization could presumably achieve 80 cents by 2023. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2024. With a few overhauls in the organization, Desert Garden Organization could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Rose could revitalize to hit $1 by 2024. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that Desert Garden Organization supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Rose would revitalize to hit $1.70. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2026. In the event that Desert Spring Organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Rose would energize to hit $1.90. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2027. In the event that Desert Spring Organization supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Rose would energize to hit $2. Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation 2028. Desert Spring Organization holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market. By driving critical cost rallies, Rose would hit $2.30 in 2028. Desert Spring Organization Value Forecast 2029. In the event that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Desert Garden Organization, it would observe significant spikes. Rose could hit $2.50 by 2029. Desert Garden Organization Value Expectation 2030. With more prominent progressions in the Desert Garden Organization biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into Rose for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Desert Spring Organization could hit $3 by 2030. And, with consistent enhancements in the Desert Garden Organization, we can say that 2022 is a decent year for Rose. Thus, the bullish value expectation of Desert Spring Organization in 2022 is 36 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Desert Spring Organization for 2022 is 4 cents. Moreover, with the progressions and moves up to the Desert Garden Organization environment, the presentation of Rose would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of 59 cents very soon. Yet, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Rose is a wise interest in 2022. 1. What is Desert Garden Organization? Desert Spring Organization is the utility badge of the Desert Spring Organization. Desert Spring Organization is a security-centered savvy contracts put together stage worked with respect to Universe SDK. 2. Where might you at any point buy